1. Download and installation step by step. Confident, friendly. First, go to the official IObit website. Pause. Avoid third-party download sites. They can contain cracked or ad-injected versions that may harm your system. Slight warning tone. Click free download or buy now. The free download gives you advanced system care free. You can upgrade to PRO later by entering a license key in the app. Short beat. Run the installer. The file is usually named asc-setup.exe. If Windows SmartScreen appears, click yes to allow it, but only if the publisher shows IObit Information Technology. Reassuring. Choose your language, then use Customize Install. This is recommended. Uncheck any optional offers, like extra IObit tools or browser installs. Choose your install folder. The default is fine. And finish the setup. Pause. When installation completes, the program will usually launch and perform a quick system check. Activation legal methods. Direct clear. To activate PRO, open Advanced System Care PRO 19. At the bottom right of the interface, click Enter Code or Activate Now. Paste your license code in the format XXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX. Then click Register Now. Short beat. The software will verify the key online with IObit's license server. If the code is valid, your edition will switch from free to PRO, and additional modules like Auto Care, Deep Clean, and Internet Booster will unlock. Pause. To confirm your license status, go to menu right arrow My Subscription. There you'll see the validity period, typically 1 year for purchased keys, or a shorter period for giveaway keys.